Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I have in this video another haul for you guys. Totally unplanned, but it's a really good one, so you definitely want to stay tuned. All right, so today I went to go run some errands with my husband, and he wanted to look for some stuff for his own, stuff. And then I was like, well, if you're doing that, then I want to do this. So, there was like a sports store right beside Hobby Lobby. And then there was also another sports store right beside Michael's. So I went to both of those. I also had the chance to go to Joann's as well, but we had already been gone like 4 hours and we needed to go let our dogs out. But it's totally fine. I got a lot of stuff. So I am going to start with Michael's, and just like my last haul video that you guys absolutely loved, it is my most viewed video now. So at this point it is. So if you have not checked that out, I will definitely have that in the description below, and definitely go watch that one as well. That was a crazy haul as well. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so at Michael's, I was very excited. I had the full expectation of walking in, finding the back to school stuff, and then walking out. But I had found some other things as well. I don't think I'm going to show them because I'm going to start showing a little bit of things here and there on my stories, but I'm only showing like Happy Planner related stuff. So the other things that I got were like decor for my room, for like my planning room. So, all right, first up is this new 6-month undated classic teacher planner. So I am oh my gosh, literally I have been waiting for this day where I can finally use the teacher planner. Like, this layout I have never ever used. So I'm very excited because you can date it up at the top or on the sides. So I'm very excited to get my hands on this and use it, try it. And the fact that it is an extension pack means that it's undated, so I can just use it whenever. And of course, the dividers are absolutely beautiful. Comes with some stickers and a little bit of filler paper as well. So this was such a steal. Okay, so everything at Michael's right now is 30% off, but the back to school section, at least at my Michael's, was full price, but there's a coupon for 20% off of all regular price purchases. So this made it $8.79, which is not a bad deal for 6 months of a planner, like $8, what the heck. So very over the moon about that. Next up is, oh my gosh. Okay, I have not looked through this sticker book at all. So I might make a separate video. Let me know in the comments below if you want to flip through of this. If you don't, that's fine. There might be other videos that you can watch instead of just mine, but I think I want to maybe film some kind of video showing my first reactions of this, because it's a seasonal one and I have not, like, I am huge on seasonal. So anyway, so this is the seasonal type. It's like the teacher and it's fit for the big, so that's fun. Next is teacher florals. So I mean, This is like an absolutely gorgeous, absolutely stunning sticker book. And I've seen a few people talking about how they're kind of done with the whole floral thing right now, but I'm not. I'm living it up. And then last thing I got at Michael's was the Simple Brights. So this matches just perfectly. So these are the 3 that I got, and because they were full price, that's why I didn't get all of them, but everything was there. It was fully stocked on all of the brand new stuff. So as time goes on, I'm patient. I can go back, see if there's a nice coupon, a nice sale. If not, it's fine. But these were the 3 that I definitely wanted. So each of these were $15.99, which is not horrible, but again, it's a little bit more than I'm used to spending, but it's fine. They're brand new, which means you kind of pay a little bit more for something that's brand new. It's totally fine. I also got a banner, like kind of poster thing for my wall, and I got a frame for my room, and then I also got something else that's Happy Planner, but that doesn't start until August, so you will have to wait and see what that is. So I am very happy with these 4 items. Literally, if these were the only 4 things that I got today, I would die a happy woman. Like, this is literally amazing that I got this stuff. So that is all of Michael's. Now for Hobby Lobby. I don't know if you guys are going to be ready for this. Like, literally amazing. Okay? Okay. It's amazing. So first off, this is what I have been dying, absolutely dying to get my hands on. Look, I got 3 of them. So this is how you create your own sticker pack. So right now it has just like cardboard inside of it, but then you can put your own sticker sheets inside of it. But I'm going to make a video where I build these and make my own sticker books. So I am so excited. At Hobby Lobby, at least today, which is June 5th, 2021, there were no coupons on Happy Planner stuff. So I paid full price, which is only $4.99, and literally I would have paid $20 each. Like, I have been dying to get my hands on these. So I am extremely excited. Also, this says 27 pieces. So I'm wondering if these are stickers. Like, what? That would be so fun. So I will have to see once I open them. So definitely stay tuned for that video. I'm going to put together 3 different books. So definitely stay tuned for that. And lastly, because everything was full price, I wasn't going to buy anything else. So I just started walking around while my husband was in his sports store. I was like, let me go look. So I was looking at some stuff, you know, here and there. And I found a sale aisle. Everything was 75% off. So there was like some home decor, this, that, and the other. And then at the end of the aisle was the clearance section. And I had never been over there, like, because we're kind of new to the area. Well, we've lived here for 1 year, which is crazy to even say. But anyway, I didn't know that they had a clearance section. So I found it and I went really crazy. So get ready. I got a lot of stuff. So I got some outdated planners, which is why everything was on clearance. So this was a Skinny Mini Wrong 12-month planner, and it's ending this month. So it's totally outdated, which I literally don't care. I'm going to redate it myself, but I really never got much of the... All right, I had an alarm go off on my phone per usual. So I never really got much of the Wrong stuff when it initially was released. So I wanted to get my hands on this, and I had never tried a Skinny Mini, so I wanted to try this. This was $4. So, I mean, like, you can't go wrong with that. So I was very excited for that. Next was another Wrong planner. This is a 12-month, and it again is ending this month. This was $2.49. Look at that, $2.49. This is absolutely crazy. And look, there's me. So I definitely had to get my hands on this. I mean, if anything, I'm going to have a new cover and some new gold discs for $2.49. Like, but I don't think I'm going to waste any of the planner either. Like, I will have lots of spreads to make different spreads for you guys and different, you know, content for you guys. So there's that. Then look at this. This is a big 12-month teacher planner, and it's ending next month. And this was $2.99. Like, what? So I'm very excited for this. And so now I'm going to have 2 teacher planners. And I am going to have a big too. Like, that's very exciting. So I am extra excited for that. One kind word can change the world. I really like the cover. So there's that. $2.99. Here's my receipt. Next, I got this Wrong. It's a mini planner companion accessory pack for $2.29. There are some cards, note paper, some more cards, a little folder, stickers, and supposed to come with a bracelet, but I don't know if there is one. Honestly, I don't care. It was $2, literally $2. So I mostly got it for the stickers because, I mean, why not? All right, and last thing I got was this Kind Women. May we know them, may we be them, may we raise them. This is me. So this was $2.99, and it's ending at the end of this year. So, I mean, there's still a lot to go. So I can have a whole other planner. And look at this cover. Like, literally, it's gorgeous. Oh, I'm so excited. So I just got a whole bunch of planners. I mean, they were literally dirt cheap. So my total was $30. $30 for all of this stuff. Well, actually, take off $7. So it was $23 because I got a thing for our house. This was $23 for all of this stuff. Tons of stuff. Literally, oh my gosh. So exciting. All right, well, this is everything I got. And I'm very excited. I love, love, love all of this. I cannot wait to get to work and make more content for you guys. Seriously, I cannot thank you guys enough. This has been the best making content for you guys and this YouTube channel, and all the comments and everything. You guys are the best. So make sure you let me know in the comments below what you think of this video and if you are liking all the different hauls that I've been showing you guys. So make sure that you are subscribed and like this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.